All right, so guys, welcome back to the new video, and in this video we'll be talking about this whole navigation, this whole site. All right, we'll be facing this whole place. All right, so in the first video we talked about the dashboard. We discussed everything from the beginning to the end, guys, to the end. All right, so let's go. First thing, when you click on this three bars, all right, the three bars, you'll be led to, when you click on the dashboard, you'll be led back to this place. Now when you get to dashboard, you will always get this prompt. All right, I would advise you to always read it. Always read it, because that's how they are able to communicate with you that, okay, maybe there is a problem with MTN. They'll tell you, okay, please do not send MTN data or airtime for now. All right, if they are doing an upgrade, they'll tell you, okay, there is an upgrade going on. So every time, don't get tired. Don't just see it as not important. No, always follow it up. Make sure you always read whatever they have there. All right. Then the second one is fund account. Now, this will give you the several options to fund account. If you watch the first video, you would see that we have discussed this: the airtime payments, the coupon, and the payment gateway, which involves using your ATM card. All right, so that has been discussed. Then if you click on buy data plan, it will lead you back to the buy data plan session where we discussed in the first video. Same thing with, if you click on the buy airtime, all right, it will lead you to the same place. Then you can actually convert airtime to cash. Like, okay, let's say you have a customer who, a lot of people do these things like almost every time. They will recharge by mistake from their bank account, and then maybe they recharge some, they wanted to transfer, but then they will recharge, and then they recharge, let's say 10,000 naira. All right, so they'll come to you, oh please, I want to change this money back to cash. Okay, so what you do is you put in the network here, the mobile number, like where the card is. All right, where the card is, then put in the amount. So for 10,000 naira, you actually get 7,000. Like the person will get 7,000 naira. All right. So you tell them, if you want to take your own charges, you will give them 6,8. Something about 6,869. But the network itself is taking 3,000 naira from the money. All right. So that's the way it works. So when you click on proceed now, I can't click on proceed because there is no number. All right. Let's just see. Okay, so let's go with that. Now they'll give you this instruction. So what you have to do is you transfer that money from that account, like from that phone number, from the person's SIM. You transfer it. They will, if it is Glow, if it is empty, and they will put this thing. They will teach you. They'll guide you. All right. So make sure you transfer everything, and just follow through all the process, and then make sure you actually send the airtime before you continue with the conversion of changing the airtime to cash. All right, so when you are done, first thing I advise you to do is, first of all, send. You can actually come and do this to get this information. All right, to get this whole procedure thing. So first of all, transfer the airtime, then you come back and you click on confirm enter payment, and then before you know it, in less than 5 to 10 minutes, they would send the money to you, and then you can just send it to the person. All right, then this is history. When you click on history, it will actually tell you like a summary, or to just tell you everything that you've done on the platform. Now, filter makes it easy to be specific, like the one you want to go for. For example, now if I click on airtime payment, right, it means the way I have paid with airtime, like that I have funded my account, my wallet with airtime. Now, I have never funded my wallet with airtime, so you can't see it here because I don't do it. All right. Then data plan, the data that I've bought and all of that, for the people, for the number, the ones that were successful, the ones that were not. You would see everything here, the date, the amount. You would see every single thing here. All right. Then transfer. If I transfer, I talked about transfer the other time, that you can actually transfer to someone else using Fast Mobile. If you don't know about that, make sure you watch the first video. All right. Then coupon payment. I talked about this too. that you can actually fund your account with coupon. But I've never done that. Then airtime top up are the airtime that you bought, so they'll put everything here just like the data info. All right. Share and share, maybe you shared with someone who uses the network. Actually, this share and share, they used to do it before, but they stopped. All right, they stopped. Same thing with withdraw. Before, if you have, let's say, around 20,000 naira in your wallet, you can actually withdraw it like into your account. They will charge, I think, maybe just 200 naira. You can actually withdraw it, but now they don't do that again. Then this is for cable subscription. You see this. So this is for the cable subscription history that I've done. All right. Then the next one is bank payment. All right, maybe through ATM or something. This is for paystack payment. Paystack is like the bank transfer, as in the one that you did to your personal account number. I hope you know that. Okay, I'll show you something now. I'll come back to that. Okay, the bill payment is for the electricity bill payment. Okay, so I hope that is clear. This covers like everything. It's just for you to track your journey. Now when I go back to paystack payment, look at this. Look at this. I want you to look at this. Now, when I sent this, I actually sent 400 naira to them, but then I'm given 392 naira. Why? Because they are going to remove 2% of whatever you send. So 2% of 400 naira is actually what? 8 naira. 8, right? So they remove 8 naira and they give me 392. Now, you might be wondering, how do these guys make their money? How do they make their sales? Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. On every single payment that I do, they remove 2%. Now, look at this, look at this, look at this. So can you imagine? Can you imagine? So they really, really make from the business and everything. They know how they make their money. Now imagine people like me now. Imagine they are just, let's just assume, okay, we are just 200 that are using fast mobile in Ibadan. So you can imagine how they are making their money. All right. Then this is for cable subscription. If you want to do cable subscription, I already explained this in the first video. All right. And then this is for the logout option. Okay. So that is it for this section. Later, we'll come back to this side of the avatar. All right. Bye for now, guys.